Very good Tuesday evening, folks. I'm NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear. Certainly has been another busy day in the weather office, and it's going to be another busy one tomorrow, but luckily not as busy as the last 2 days. What do we have currently on the go weather-wise? Lots. As far as current warnings go, we have snow squall warnings in place for Green Bay, White Bay, Deer Lake, Humber Valley, Grossmore, Corner Brook and vicinity, Bay St. George, and the Burin Peninsula. Areas under a snow squall warning. That means snow squalls are imminent. Snow squall watch in place for Parsons Pond, Hawks Bay, Channel Port aux Basques, the Avalon Peninsula, and the Canagera region. This area may see snow squalls tonight into tomorrow, which could make for some treacherous driving, but snow squalls are not currently widespread in the snow squall watch area. Gusty winds up to 100 kilometers per hour or more are likely for much of the island tonight through tomorrow. Wind warning in place because of that for all but interior sections of Newfoundland. Into Labrador, we have wind warnings in place for Red Bay to Lanse-Claire, Norman Bay, Lodge Bay. North of there, a blizzard warning in place along the coast. For Eagle River, Upper Lake Melville, Churchill Valley, winter storm warning in place, and a blowing snow advisory in place for Churchill Falls. All because of this area of low pressure, which will essentially just drift to the north tonight near the coast of Labrador, keeping the snow on going across eastern Labrador. On the island, we see the onshore flurries persisting, squalls too, especially across the west coast, Burin Peninsula, southern sections of the Avalon. And then for tomorrow, the squalls become a little bit less numerous across the island. By midday, snow continues across Labrador, but a trough is going to scrape the Avalon and Burin Peninsulas tomorrow afternoon, which will bring a period of some light to moderate snowfall late tomorrow into tomorrow evening. Not much snow is expected, but with gusty winds, it will be quite a nasty commute home for some of you. How much snow are we talking about by tomorrow evening across the eastern Newfoundland? Well, it looks like Burin Peninsula, southern Avalon, 5 to 10 centimeters. The farther north looks like about 2 to 5. Across the west coast, areas that see squalls could see as much as 5 or 10 centimeters of snow, locally more, especially as we get in and around the Corner Brook and Deer Lake areas. But notice these colors showing up here. The pinks, that's mountainous terrain. In the mountains, we could be talking about 20 to 30 centimeters of snow over the next 24 hours, perhaps more if the snow is fluffy. So good news for snowmobilers, but I suppose with the ups and downs in the temperature department, an avalanche risk is certainly a good bet in and around the long-range mountains. Snowmobilers and backcountry skiers keep that in mind. Across Labrador's coastal areas, expect very heavy snowfall, perhaps 30 to 40 or 50 centimeters. By the time we're all said and done, tomorrow evening or early Thursday, travel across Labrador is going to be very rough over the next 24 hours or so certainly keep that in mind. Trans-Labrador Highway doesn't look too bad, especially after tonight, but parts of it will certainly be treacherous because of the snow and blowing snow. For tonight, temperatures into the mid-single numbers below freezing across the island, mid-teens across Labrador, mid-20s across Lab West below freezing. For tomorrow, temperatures in Labrador, minus teens to minus single numbers. For high temperatures, heavy snow on the coast and wind as well. Wind on the island with snow squalls across the west coast. And afternoon snow likely for the Burin Peninsula, southern Avalon, and even a chance into the metro. That's your forecast. Hope I didn't throw too much information your way. Have a great evening. Have a great night. And I will see you tomorrow.